In this video, we're gonna be comparing the OEM air filter to the green filter and seeing if there's actually a noise difference. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this mic in the engine bay and it's cold, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna test it while it's cold so we don't fry our mic. And we're gonna see if there's a difference between the OEM air filter and the green air filter. So let's go with the OEM first. Now, one of the things I want to show you guys is that this air filter, the outside is enclosed, but when you look at our new one, it's open. So it's definitely got a different design. And I think it's interesting that the air box itself was already cut out to kind of match the opening. You see how it leaves that open? So that is our first mod to our completely stock Ford ST, and it's already brought it alive. It's got a little character now. We hear some turbo sounds. We hear little blow-off valve sounds. This is awesome. Green filter for the win. And I was thinking like, man, the air box and the top of the air box and the filter fits in there perfectly, almost as if it was made for it. I don't know, maybe this company is making stuff for Ford, because look at this. In their brochure, when we got the green filter, it says, Ford wins 24 hours of Le Mans with green filter USA. So there has to be some type of connection. But anyways, huge fan. We're gonna put a link where we bought our air filter on Amazon so you can buy one if you need to get one. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like button and we'll talk to you soon.